अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने जा रही है जो गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या जिनका आने वाले दिन में इंटरव्यू है, क्योंकि आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अक्टूबर के महीने के करंट अफेयर्स। और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस बर वक्त आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, ऑन October 16, 2025, the UN and observers reported that in Pakistan-Afghanistan clashes since October 10. Option A, at least 100 people were killed. Option B, over 360 people were wounded. Option C, Pakistan dropped nuclear weapon. Option D, a permanent border wall was agreed. The correct answer is option B, over 360 people were wounded. Explanation. The UNAMA reported that at least 18 people were killed and over 360 injuries in the clashes. The next question is, also on October 16, 2025, Donald Trump announced that after the Gaza ceasefire, his next focus would be option A, invading North Korea, option B, ending the Russia-Ukraine war, option C, normalizing relations with Iran, option C, rejoining the Paris Climate Agreement. The correct answer is option B, ending the Russia-Ukraine war. Explanation. Trump said he was now weighing providing long-range weapons to Ukraine and pushing for Russia to negotiate. Question. On October 16, 2025, gold markets hit a new record high. Which of these was cited as a driver? Option A, deflationary pressure in Europe. Option B, strong US economic growth. Option C, safe haven demand amid US-China tension and rate cut bets. Option D, a collapse of technology stocks. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. Gold's rally was fueled by investors seeking safe assets amid trade tensions, expectations of Fed rate cuts, and uncertainty over the US-China situation. Question. On October 15, 2025, in KPK, Pakistan, which constitutional legal event took place? Option A, a new governor was appointed. Option B, the High Court struck down a law on provincial autonomy. Option C, the newly elected Chief Minister Suhail Afridi took oath of office. Option D, the Provincial Assembly was dissolved. The correct answer is option C, the newly elected Chief Minister Suhail Afridi took oath of office. Explanation. On that day, Governor Faisal Karim Kundi administered the oath to Suhail Afridi as the Chief Minister of KP as per court order. केपी की जो करंट सीएम है वो है सुहेल अफरीदी और जो एक्स सीएम थे वो थे अली अमीन कंडापुर। Question. On October 1, 2025, the US government began a partial shutdown because Congress failed to pass funding legislation. Which of the following is direct consequence mentioned? Option A, all federal employees were laid off immediately. Option B, the US Patent and Trademark Office planned to lay off about 1% of its staff. Option C, all military operations ceased. Option D, social security payment were suspended. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. With the shutdown, non-essential agencies must reduce staffing. The USPTO indicated it may cut about 1% of its roughly 14,000 employees. Question. In October 2025, World Meteorological Organization WMO forecasted a shift in climate pattern for October, November, December. What was the key prediction? Option A, a strong El Nino developing. Option B, a weak La Nina emerging. Option C, a neutral ENSO phase continuing. Option D, a sudden reversal to El Nino conditions. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. The WMO seasonal climate update predicted that sea surface temperature anomalies in key Nino region would decline, favoring the emergence of weak La Nina phase during OND 2025. Question. China's Communist Party planned to convene a major internal meeting in October 2025. Which meeting is this and when it is scheduled? Option A, 5th Plenum, October 10 to 13. Option B, October 15 to 18. Option C, October 20 to 23. Option D, October 25 to 28. The correct answer is option C, October 20 to 23. Explanation. The Chinese Communist Party is set to hold its fourth plenum from October 20 to 23. Question. On October 2, 2025, Papua New Guinea approved a delayed defense treaty with which country, elevating their relation toward allied status? Option A, United States. Option B, China. Option C, Australia. Option D, Japan. The correct answer is option C, Australia. On October 2, 2025, South Korea's president issued an apology concerning which historical issue? Option A, forced labor during World War II. Option B, Korea War POWS. Option C, overseas adoption abuse in the 1970s to 80s. Option D, land confiscations during 1960s. The correct answer is option C, overseas adaptation abuses in the 1970s to 80s. Explanation. President Lee apologized for poorly managed overseas adoptions in past decades, which involved abuse and fraud in the process. Question. On October 2, 2025, the UK saw a major violent incident. What was it? Option A, a bombing in London Underground. Option B, a vehicle ramming and stabbing attack at Manchester. Option C, an explosion at the government building in Birmingham. Option D, an attack on royal procession. The correct answer is option B, a vehicle ramming and stabbing attack at the Manchester. Question. On October 3, 2025, the US Senate faced a continued statement over funding legislation during the federal government shutdown. What action did House Speaker Mike Johnson announce that day? Option A, he agreed to pass a temporary funding bill immediately. Option B, he announced an extension of the House recess for another week. Option C, he resigned from the speakership. Option D, he called for a joint session of Congress to resolve the impasse. The correct answer is option B. He announced an extension of House recess for another week. Explanation. After another failed vote in the Senate, the House Speaker declared that House would remain in recess for an additional week, further delaying resolution of the shutdown. तो ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस बर वक्त आप तक पहुंच सके और कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताएं कि आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर चाहते हैं। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।